just finish everything up.
Just be aware, folks, the most dangerous part, piece of equipment in this process is that inflation fan over there. She's got a lot of power to her, and she really spins around. So just be aware when if you're gonna be around it. Try not to back. If someone's trying to take a picture of you with the balloon in the background and they're having you to back up. Just be aware where that fan is, because if you get too close to it, it'll bite you in the butt. Either that, or it'll take your scarf in, or hair, or Lord knows what else. So. And also, as we start to inflate the balloon, these lines will need to be free and clear. So, once again, if you're taking pictures standing in front of the mouth of the balloon, which seems to be a popular spot for pictures, just try to make sure you're not standing on a rope. And if you are standing on a rope and you feel it tugging, that means lift your foot up, please.
Oh, he went into the balloon. Stand in front of it, I can take a picture. Oh, we gotta get in. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait till I tell you to come over.
Okay. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, go over on that side. What?
The largest wintertime rally in the Southwest. It's going to be a big one. I mean, they're really great over there. Great hospitality. It's a great place to fly. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, it's a good event. Really good event. See the recharge ponds. That's where they're taking the Colorado River water and forcing it, into the soil to let it percolate through and into the aquifer. That spot, the sunshine spot, to go up on those hillsides, the mountains to the right there. Be able to see it, but I'm not sure. The ceiling, the cloud ceiling is pretty low. We're gonna be tickling the bottom of these clouds as we go over these hills. Right now we're moving at 18 miles an hour. We're tracking almost due north, which is great. We were averaging about 12 miles an hour most of the way up, and then we just hit that upper level wind, which is all part of the plan. It looks great. Gonna cross over the mountains in a really good spot. And once we get on the other side of the mountains, I'm going to be spitting over the side. It's a very scientific method we use to see what the winds below us are doing. It took us years of practice to develop that technique. But I'll be spitting over the side, and as soon as we clear the turbulence, we'll drop right down along the hillside and to the valley floor over there. Well, they've toned it back. I mean, it got too big. Now they restrict it to 500 balloons, which is the past few years have been the best 2 years that I've been there out of the 8 years I've gone. They really managed it well the past couple years. For a while, they were just wanting it bigger and better. It was just that time in the U.S.,
look at that,
hand over fist and rah rah rah. But it started to have a lot of accidents, fatal accidents. It was a big deal, and it was just because too many balloons were in the air. You have to wait too long.